Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is IMD. As you guys already know, or if you don't know, you're new to this channel, my name is IMD. I film wholesome content for YouTube, faith, fashion, beauty, medicine, all the nice things to know. Please welcome back to my channel. Please, before we even get into this video, like, subscribe and comment and share with your friends. Okay, so I know my background has changed. I'm saying this again because I don't know which video will go up first. I want to just say that I have exams coming up right now as I speak to you. I'm supposed to be studying, but I'm filming this video, so I will only put up the video that takes less time to edit, if that makes sense. And because of this is a drastic change from my last video, I want to just say that there's a new background now. I'm still figuring out what part of my home, my apartment, I want to film these YouTube videos, but for now I think this works. I think. All right, let's go. So because I like to talk, I'm just going to give some talk, yeah, small talk, just small. Okay, so I've been in a very good space of my life recently. Like guys, I've been in such an amazing place. Like I can't really explain what I mean, but I've been in a really good place. And you know, one of the things that I started doing when I started this semester, so this is not something I just went ahead and just started doing. Like I've been doing that for months, was that I started doing self-care before this time of my life where I'm like so in a good space. I used to do these things actually, but it was not a routine. It was more of, oh, when I just feel like, oh, my skin needs to be, you know, I just do them. But, and also I cut my hair. Like, I know this video is going to be more than just products, but let's continue. I cut my hair in sometime last year, I can't remember, but I just cut the hair off. And you know, I was in this place where I was like, I don't even show my hair anyway. I'm always wearing wigs, so like, why do I even need to even care for the hair that I never really show? But I think, you know, I just got to a space of my life where I was like, oh, I need to properly take care of myself from head to toe, not because of I'm showing it or not. Like I'm doing it for me. It's not because I'm going out I should look good. So there are some things that I actually have changed and incorporated. Now that I mention it, I probably should make a video about like this. You know, it's really a mental switch for me. Like I've been on a self development journey since 2019. Yeah, if you've met me before 2019 or you've met me in this time, I'm probably still growing. I still make mistakes, but I'm learning. But I've been in the process of learning and relearning for a while. So this was also a mental shift for me. I was like, okay, I also have to take care of my body because it's the temple of the Holy Spirit and all that. So this is just products that I like to use that have, you know, really worked for me. And so I think I posted a video on YouTube, sorry, on Instagram about my shower routine, my self-care routine. I was just me just putting products, even though I know that let me just keep quiet. Yeah, so here are some products that I've really loved. You know, I will probably repurchase again. Yeah, and I'll just be sharing why I like them, why you should like them, and girl, why you should take care of your skin, your body. Like I mean, self-care journey, self-love journey. It's not just the mental thing, neither is it just a physical thing. It's spiritual, physical, because your spirit, soul, body. So you're saying you're self-caring for yourself, you can't be lacking in the three. You're caring for yourself spiritually, soul, which is mental, and then your body. Yeah. Okay. Din 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 din. So these are the products, some of the products, not all of them, that I've been really loving. So these are some of the products that I've been really loving. I'm gonna go right into them, you know, and these are not all the products I use, but these are like some of the favorites from, like, let me say, like this month, last month kind of thing. So I think I'm gonna do from head to toe or whatever, any way that I shall do, just know that I'm sure doing the video. All right, so let's go. First things first, I love candles. Hey, all right guys, So I actually going to start with, I said I'm going to start head to toe. So this is the first product I'm going to be talking about here today. This one, actually this product is really cheap. I can't remember how much I actually got it now, but it won't be up to $6. I actually got this product because I really don't like to use shampoos, but I got this product because my scalp has been really itching lately. Like I have been flaking and having dandruff, and I was like it's probably like clear up on its own, but no, my scalp has been really itching, and I've used this just one time, and I think it deserves all the accolades it's getting because I've used it just one time. And guys, if I say that it cleared that dandruff, honey, it cleared that dandruff. These scalings and all those things I was feeling on my head are no longer there, and it's so soft. Jesus Christ, when I use this thing, I was like, it didn't, because usually my problem with shampoos is that it dries out my hair. This did not dry out my hair. It was so good. I'm going to use it again and again, and it's going to make me want to shampoo more. It doesn't have the best smell, but it gets the job done. And maybe because I think it didn't dry out my hair because it is infused with a conditioner, but I still condition after this. So yeah, just put it out there. Also, like I said, you guys know that I love me some candles. I really like this candle. I won't say it's the best smelling candle I've ever used, but I really like it because I think this is the first time that I actually getting a 3-week candle. I have never used a 3-week candle in my life, I know, but this is the first time, and I really like it. It's big, it lasts long. It's just basic, but I really like the candle. So yeah, that's why it's making it to this list. Another thing I'm going to talk about again for my hair is this Moisture Miracle coconut oil and baobab oil. First of all, I want to say that anything that has coconut has my heart. I love coconut in products. I love coconut in products. I really love it. So this stuff, aside that it smells really good, it's very moisturizing. You guys, I use this thing on my hair, and I don't have to do I don't have that kind of time really to be doing everyday moisturizing of the hair. This stuff, it's actually a very good product. It gets my hair very moisturized. It does what it says. It says intense moisture. You all, like, this thing works. I'm definitely gonna buy again. This is my staple. It's definitely gonna be like something I'm gonna repurchase again. I think body, because usually my hair care routine is basic. I have other things that I like, but I mean, I'm just keeping this video short. Try to keep it short. I like this thing. I got it was really cheap. I got it like, I think it's going to be $1 or $2 thereabout, US dollars. This is really nice. Like, it's actually a shampoo brush. I've never really used a shampoo brush, and even though I've always heard about it, I was like, let me just try a shampoo brush. If you all, I like that it came with, there are 2 types of it. You know, this one with the bristles are different. I like this one because it's like, it kind of like acts as a head massage. So when I do my self-care routine and I'm in the bathroom taking my bath, it helps me because now I spend more time like in the bathroom when I'm doing my self-care. I do that actually once a week. Yeah, I am actually able to use this, and I use it on my scalp, and I'm just like going in, and it's really good. Like, it helps to, I think they said scalp massages help to stimulate like the blood flow, but it also just helps my scalp, it's so good, really good. Also, let's move to the face. So for face stuff, I'm going to actually say I love this product, guys. It's an OG. Like, I didn't even know how much I needed this product, even though right now I feel like will I actually buy this again? I probably will, because this product not only does it have antibacterial and witches, this product actually helps with oily skin. I have oily to combination skin, which I think over time I have oily to combination skin, so this actually helps to keep the oil. I don't wear makeup every day. Literally, I'm only wearing makeup because I have to film this video. I think the last time I wore makeup was 4 months ago, and I think this has actually helped to keep my excess oils. And also, it says that it softens, which is true, and it helps for healthy skin. See, whatever it says it does, and yeah, I like a product that sticks to what they say. And you all know Simple is a good brand, but this is really good. Moving to facial moisturizer, still on the face, I like this brand Skin Spa Botanics Daily Facial Moisturizer. It has hyaluronic acid. Yeah, it has that word. So guys, this product has hyaluronic acid, vitamin A, B, C, D, E, I don't care all the things that they said that it has, but I know that it actually really moisturizes. By the way, hyaluronic acid is actually a natural humectant, because you don't know, so it draws in moisture from the outside. Yeah, but this is actually a really good moisturizer, guys. I use it during the day and it keeps my face really soft and supple, and I didn't have it. Love it. I really love it. That's just what I'm trying to say, is that it's really lovely. And it actually, I think it was a 4-step thing, but I just got this because I had the other ones that were there. I had them in probably other products, and it was really affordable. Guys, I'm putting you on to affordable products because we like a product that it's budget friendly but works. Yeah, on to body care, guys. This is the one, body care. So first of all, I have a routine, my body care routine. I think I'm saying it again, that I have that video on my Instagram. In case you don't know, follow me here. Actually, it's just a video where I just showed some products that I use on my skin. Yeah. So one of the things that I think has been a game changer for me has been washing twice. So I usually used to, because before I'm a Dove girl, so I used some months back. I used to use this Dove moisturizing lotion and body wash, which is really good. But then I realized that I realized the game changed when I started using a bar soap and then topping that up with an actual body wash. The thing is that I don't know, personally for me, I've come to know that bar soaps wash me better. Like, you can feel very squeaky clean, that kind of thing. While Dove is actually very good, it's more moisturizing, so it doesn't actually strip you. It puts in moisture to your skin as you're moisturizing, which is good. But sometimes I want to wash, get my skin very clean, and I started washing twice. So I wash with a bar soap. The one I really like is this Lux. I like it because it's very soft on the skin, and also actually bought it because whatever, it's pink aesthetics, but it really smells good. Yeah, and the scent stays for a while. So what I do is that I would wash with this first. I really love this Lux stuff, guys. It's really good. And after that, I will now go on and wash with my scent eyes, rose water and aloe vera wash. Guys, this wash, oh Lord God, I love it. Like, it smells so good. Like, the smell is there. You could smell it when you put it on your loofah or your sponge or whatever thing. You can smell it, and it's a very nice, subtle, feminine smell. It's not pungent, it's not right there in your face, like it's not very strong. It's just subtle, smells really good, and it stays. Like, I mean I've never really had a body wash that actually lasts as outside the bathroom, but it does last on my skin for a while, and it makes my skin very smooth and supple. So after that, I will go on and top with this, and I really like it, and I'm going to buy this again. Okay, that's it for wash. Then after that, I also like this feminine. Before I actually say this, I know that people say do not doge. Doaching is not good. Do not use feminine washes. I want to say that I know I'm a medical student, I've heard those things before, but then this product I'm about to show you guys is not something I use inside the area, in my hoo-ha, that place. Yeah, I don't use it there. It's a product that I use around the vulva, the labia, your anatomy. If you don't know, go and Google it. But yeah, that's what I use to clean that area. You don't necessarily have to use a wash, you can just use water, but I like the way it makes me feel, the calmness. I like, and it's really nice. It doesn't have any fragrance, it doesn't have any smell, it's just good. And yeah, so I've been using this feminine wash, but it was just a very affordable feminine wash that I saw in my drugstore. And why I liked it is because it's pink, and I wanted to try something in that area to wash that area. So yeah, it says that it's comparable to the Summer Eve's cleansing wash, and you guys, I love this stuff. I use it every time I shower. I like it. I have actually seen results from using this thing compared to why I started using it. It's really good. It keeps you feeling really clean and fresh. That's just the gist. Yeah, so yeah, whatever, don't use Dutchies, keep it to yourself. Product that I use in bathroom, it feels like my bath routine kind of feels long, but this stuff doesn't actually take that long when I'm doing that. So this is one product that I started using that I'm going to continue using. You guys, when I saw this product, I wanted to buy, like, how my spirit was doing gym guy, like, you have to buy this product. That's how excited I was to actually buy this product. So this is the Olay, I don't know if you guys can see, this is the Olay body conditioner, and if I tell you all that this stuff works, it's so good. Like, it makes your skin very soft. So like I was talking about body hygiene and like self-care, like, you know, we are women. Yeah, come close to me. I want to talk to you as a woman. Come close, come. Okay, so we are women and you want your body to feel soft. Like, you want when you hold somebody, like somebody holds your hand, or somebody, like, you know, brushes your skin, like, oh my god, your skin feels really soft, you know. Even though I've never really had harsh skin, even before I started my routine, I've always had, like, you know, never had harsh skin. But guys, when I say this thing, the first day I used this stuff in the shower was like my last self-care day. That was like, I think, last week. Yeah, but I've been using this every day. I use it every day. This is part of my bath routine every day. So the first day I used this thing, hey god, because I left it, usually this is what I do. I would wash it out. Like, so if I'm going to school in the morning and I'm doing my normal, all the things that are in my body, I use them every day. That's just that. So I'm doing that on my body. Like, I would put it on, I'll try to put it on for like about 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'm just rinse it out, you know, like just the way you should condition your hair, right? But that day I actually left it on for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It was just longer because I had on my face mask, I had on my, like, yeah, and I was doing something in the room. I was doing something in my room. So when I went back to the shower to brush it off my body, like I put it on my body, I came out of the shower, I was doing something in the room, and I went back to my like I rinsed it out. When I touched my skin now, I literally was like, whose body is? I was like, whose body is this? I was like, what? I mean, it was, my skin felt so soft. Like, it felt like, wow, like, where have I been all my life? So this is one thing that I know is going to definitely be on my routine. How deep I even like it is that I've actually ordered two online with this stuff. It's really, really good. And if you guys, it's actually really cheap. It's actually $6.99, $7 online, and I think $5 in stores. I don't know, but it's really cheap and it gets the job done. So why not? If you can condition your hair, why not your body? Yo, a staple. For this video, I have also been using sunscreen. I know that my sunscreen is not, I just got into sunscreen, right? Because I just got into skincare. Like, not just got into skincare, like got into really researching on skincare before I actually get it. Before I just to get, oh, they say you get wash, get this, get that. But now what I've been doing is that I've been researching before I actually probably go and buy ingredients that are good for black skin, good for me, and that kind of thing, you get. So I just stumbled on sunscreen and I got this one because I think this was the one that was visually accessible. This is the, but it's actually 15 SPF 15, and I would say that it's, for me, it works because I've not had any hyperpigmentation lately, and I would say it works because I'm never really out in the sun. I'm always in class, AC, so, and I don't really sit close to the sun. So this is I'm going to get away with it for now, but I'm planning to like stock up another sunscreen that has a higher SPF. I like this thing. See, you already know about the cast thing with black skin. It doesn't give me a cast, and it's like that cream thing. It has sheen. I really love how it feels on my skin. This thing is a staple. I'm going to buy, I think this same brand has this sunscreen in a higher SPF, so I'm not even going to buy something totally new to my skin. I'm just going to buy the same brand, right? I'm actually going to buy the same brand, but then I'm going to up my SPF number. You guys can see that it's actually a lot. This is like, I got this like maybe $6, and this was like 236 ml for a whole jar of sunscreen. $6, guys, and it's that good. You ain't getting that anywhere. Trust me, you're not gonna get that. Even though the higher SPF, you know, is more expensive, but still, for the jar you're getting, is actually worth it. Guys, another thing I've been loving is the Victoria's Secret body lotions. Hoo-hoo! I've always loved her lotions, the lotions from this brand. I remember, I think the reason why I got back on VS is because I was looking for a particular scent I used to wear like years ago when I was here. And guys, I've been getting into Victoria's Secret and I really love it. I feel like the lotions are pretty light, so what I do is that with all my body, I think it's now that I started getting into my skincare and body care, what I've been doing is that I mix when I want to shower my body,